So wait, your hair has been growing out so slow. You are not seeing any form of length at all. You've been growing out your hair for years. You've been trying a lot of things, but then it seems not to be working. Your hair seems to be stunted. And you feel your hair is just not growing, or hair growth is not just for you. Trust me, this is the video for you. In this video, I will be teaching you how to make this very potent hair growth spray that will help you reduce excessive shedding, will help you reduce breakage, will also help you treat any form of scalp issues. Just know that once your hair is breaking off, you will not see length. You know now, you know this, you will never see length and volume. So this will help you a lot. Please hold on. This is not all those hair growth scam videos where they just teach you how to make recipes and not tell you how to use it effectively to be able to see the result. I'm sure a lot of you have used stuffs like this and you keep saying they do not work for you. There is a reason why they do not work for you. You're not using them the right way. There are a lot of things involved in this. You don't just make this and just spray on your hair. No, it is not done. Me personally, you can ask, I've helped thousands of women to be able to grow out their hair, to be able to start seeing length and volume that they desire. If you follow me patiently, you will be able to see so much results. I'll teach you how to make this. I'll tell you a lot. I'll be spilling a lot of things you need to know. You don't just make recipes and just spray on your hair. No. So stick to the end of this video. First of all, you will have to get your hibiscus flower. Yes, get your dried hibiscus flower, and then it depends on the quantity you are making use of. So I will be teaching you for a very small batch. Yes, for a very small batch. If you're not putting in preservative, you have to make a very small batch that you'll be using for just a particular day or for 2 days. You cannot keep this in the refrigerator for 1 week. Please don't do that. I don't advise that. Highest 3 days is okay. It's okay. I don't even advise people keeping this in the fridge. But then if you do not have any other form of preserving, just keep it for a day or 2 or 3 days. Please don't exceed that. So this is what you do. You get a tablespoon of hibiscus flower, and then you also get a tablespoon of rosemary. Yes, you all know that rosemary is a very potent herb for hair growth. Yes, it also helps with shedding. It helps boost hair growth. It boosts blood circulation. It helps strengthen your strands and prevents it from breaking. So we'll be adding rosemary to this. Just get 1 tablespoon of rosemary, 1 tablespoon of hibiscus dried flower, and then you just put this in your pot, clean pot. Then you add in about 2 cups of water. Yes, about 2 cups of water, and then you allow. Some people use 1 cup of water. Some want it to be really strong, but then I'll advise I use 2 cups of water because you'll be allowing this to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Yes, you allow this boil for 5 to 10 minutes. Then you allow cool down. After it's cooled down, then you strain, you sieve it out, and it is ready for use. So this is the first method of making this. The second method of making this is you get your tablespoon of hibiscus, 1 tablespoon of hibiscus, 1 tablespoon of rosemary, and then dried rosemary, dried hibiscus, of course, and then you just put it into like a bottle or maybe a jar that has cover, and then you put in hot water, about 1 cup of hot water. Since we're not boiling this, you know, when you're boiling, the water will tend to reduce, you know now. So just put in 1 cup of hot water and then cover it up. Then you just let it sit for about 5 to 10 hours or till the next day, and that is already okay. Most people say that this particular method of allowing it soak is more potent. A lot of people will tell you that boiling takes away the nutrients of the herbs. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Both works so well for me. So whichever one you choose is actually okay. After sieving, you just go ahead to put this in your spray bottle. Get a spray bottle, yes. And now this is the main thing you need. This is the main information you need. Everything about teaching this recipe, you can see it every other place. You can see it in any other place, but you may not see what I'm about to tell you in every other place. For you to be able to use this to see a very, very good result, you have to have a good relationship with your hair. Yes, and I'll explain why I'm saying this. Number one, do you make protective styles? How do you care for your hair? How do you stay away from over manipulation? If you do not do all these things and you come and start saying, oh, I don't see length, my hair doesn't grow, that means you are the problem. Number one, try to make protective styles. It could be braids, it could be twists. I always say this to you people, try as much as possible to make protective styles. It could be cornrows, and take it for about a month or two. And then after that, this is the routine you need. Like, moisturize your hair with this. Spray this all over your hair and your scalp, and then make sure that you have a leave-in conditioner, a hair butter, and also hair oil. If you don't use hair oils, you can use hair serums. Do you understand? You need to properly moisturize your hair while using this. These herbs are drying, and they are also very powerful herbs that can help strengthen your hair. So if you use just this and they dry up your hair will break. So this is what you do. You spray your hair. After spraying your hair, you go in with your leave-in conditioner. On your strands only for your leave-in conditioner. Your leave-in conditioner is supposed to be for only your strands. So after applying your leave-in conditioner to your strands, then you seal in moisture with your hair butter. Yes. And then you apply your hair oil to your scalp or your hair serums to your scalp. And make sure to massage your scalp. This is how to moisturize your hair using this. And it depends on your hair type for me to be able to say how many times you should use this. I have low porosity hair and I use this 3 times every single week. So do you understand? See, I am a lover of protective styling. Protective styling helped me take my hair from this to this. Yes, it keeps your hair away from over manipulation. This helps you a lot. I'm talking to the people that really want to see results fast. Like, you want to be seeing your real hair growth rate. You want to be seeing the real length that you grow out every single month. Make protective styles. You're going to see it so much. And when you make protective style, it doesn't mean that you are not going to care for your hair. No, I just explained to you how you should moisturize your hair. You should also be washing your hair even in that protective style and deep conditioning your hair. Do you understand? Aside using just this spray, there are other ways you need to care for your hair so that it doesn't break off, like going to bed with your hair bonnet. Yes, it is really important. If you do not have like a hair bonnet or you don't like using hair bonnets, you can get a silk pillowcase. This really helps so that you will not be having dry hair and your hair will not be matting together. It helps a lot to prevent breakage. So these are the things that may also be causing the fact that you're not seeing length. So you may be using this and you will not still see length because you're not taking care of your hair properly. Another thing is how you detangle your hair, how you take down your protective styles, how you comb out your hair. It is really important, and a lot of people do not know this. I was explaining this to a particular person and the person was like, wow, if only I knew this, my hair would have been so long by now. You need to know that you cannot be combing out your hair dry. You cannot be losing your protective style that you kept for a whole month dry. No, you cannot be detangling your hair dry. You need moisture. It could be water. You can spray your hair and just use a leave-in conditioner just to give your hair sleep. And then you start losing carefully. Even if you use this spray from today till next year, and you don't know how to treat your hair like it's fragile, you will not see that length at all. Do you understand? So this may be the reason why a lot of people keep saying these recipes don't work. These things work. Oh. They are powerful. They are really, really powerful when it comes to stopping excessive shedding, stopping excessive breakage and the rest. But then if this thing is working and you are using your hand to break off your hair, you will not see length. Do you understand? So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you have questions, please ask me in the comments section. So these are the tips I have for you today. And if you've learned something, do well to share this video, do well to subscribe, do well to like. Like I said, if you have questions, ask me. I will respond. Thank you for watching. Bye.